Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, my name is Praise Chukwuka. In this channel, we give tutorials on the tips and tricks that will help you as a graphic designer, whether you're a newbie, intermediate, or advanced. This channel is for you. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend images on Pixellab. A lot of people have been asking me, some of them have been sending me DMs asking me to teach them how to blend images. That is one of the challenges they have been facing. Like example, this man Adeyemi Olumide. I have some challenges in Pixellab like blending images, power clipping images, etc. Right, so I'm going to give a tutorial on this, and also this guy too. What's his name? Berry GX. He also told me about how to blend picture in Pixellab. That's the problem most of them are facing. So I've decided to give a tutorial on how you can achieve that. Okay, so let's go into our Pixellab. Okay, so this is the default background. This is the interface. I'm going to delete this, change the color to blue color. I'm going to import an image. Right, I'm going to import the image that we are going to remove its background. Right, this is my photo room. I'll be making use of this market. I'll have to copy this and delete the old one. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Centralize this, centralize it. Yeah, lock it. So let's take, for instance, I want to blend the image of this picture so that this line won't be seen. This is what we are going to do. Click on this plus icon, bring out a shape. I'm going to show you the first step that you can take. Come to gradient, pick gradient, click on this plus icon, then click on this place, click on this place. After clicking on this, click on this too, then reduce it to transparent. Make it transparent by reducing it to this extreme. Okay, then pick this one too, click here, and then you can choose any color that you want, mark it. Okay, so this is what we have. You can copy it as much as you want. Can you see? You can no longer see the line here. You can go on and write whatever thing that you want to write. You can still copy it again, keep it here. But if you watch this clearly, you will see that you are seeing a little line here. So I will show you another way you can achieve this. You can blend images on Pixellab. So another way that you can achieve this, let us delete these ones. Delete it. Right, come here, pick the shape, decrease the size, stretch it. When you are done, reduce the opacity to 0. Then move here, come to stroke, increase the stroke to the highest, reduce it, make sure it's like this, and then come here, pick the color that you want. Come here, I'm going to pick the color from the background. Okay, and then increase the blur like this. Can you see? You can go on and write whatever thing you want to write. Alright, so let me show you another way you can achieve this. Here is another way you can do it. Okay, click on this plus icon, bring out a shape, and then reduce the opacity. Reduce it to, sorry, first of all, increase this, make it a circle shape, and decrease the opacity to 0. Come here, increase the stroke, and then be careful. Reduce it to the point that you can no longer see any circle at the middle. Alright, pick a color. I'll pick a color from the background. Okay, so increase the brow radius. You can stretch it, copy it as much as you want. This one can possibly take you time, but the best one that you can use is the second method I showed you guys here. Okay, hope you learned something from this video tutorial. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and please turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any tutorials from this channel, so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a tutorial here. Hope you got value. Thank you so much for watching.